All of you can hear me?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Now we are going to read about that slow and fast motion. Can anyone give me some example of slow motion? Slow means it is taking a lot of time to move, and fast motion is a motion that is taking very fast. That is, it is taking less time to do the motion. Give example of slow motion, children.
I'm snail.
Snail. Yes, the movement of the snail is very slow. It just crawls and it take and tortoise. We have read about in the story of that tortoise and the rabbit and the tortoise we have done. So again,
Yes,
it is they are very slow. And fast motion. Example of fast motion. Can anyone give?
ma'am. Leopard.
Those who is
Ma'am,
someone is having some
aeroplane.
echo. Just mute. Those who
Cheetah.
are talking only they will unmute. Others just mute yourself. Some echo is there. Yes. Yash Pandey, tell me.
Ma'am, aeroplane.
Yes. Moving of aeroplane.
Car.
Yes, movement of the spacecraft, movement of the rocket, helicopter, train, superfast train, Rajdhani Express, everything that are moving of a fast car, truck, everything they are called fast motion. So motion again can be divided into, according to the speed, it can be divided into slow motion and fast motion. So what is this speed actually? Can anyone tell me that what is the speed actually? Who is having
Ma'am,
some
distance upon
prob
time.
distance upon time? Okay, you're right. So, what is distance upon time? What is it? I'm just telling you that Yash has started from a point A. Okay, and he has covered a distance and come to a point B. So, distance is x meter, and you have taken how many time? You have taken 5 minutes. So, what is it? You have covered 5 meter in, x meter in 5 minutes. So, what is speed actually? Speed is actually the distance covered in unit time. That is, speed equals to distance by time. Okay? Am I clear? So, speed equals to distance by time. Am I clear, children?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So, I'm just giving you a problem. Just tell me that distance equals to 15 kilometer. Okay, and you have taken 20 minutes to cover. So what will be the speed? And one thing remember that you have to convert the minute into second. So 20 minute equal to how many seconds? 20 equals to how many?
1,600.
Ma'am,
So two kind of what is it is 16 to 20. So what will be equals to
1,200.
ma'am, 1200.
seconds. So you can have two unit. You can express speed in two unit. One is kilometer per hour. गाड़ी में रहता है ना kilometer per hour. And who is something having some noise?
Yes,
Who
ma'am.
is having that noise? Who is just mute yourself? Those who are having that noise, just
Ma'am,
mute.
Himanshu.
Himanshu, mute yourself. Just mute yourself. So units, I'm just telling you, speed may be expressed in two types of unit. One is kilometer per hour. So it is one when we are considering long distance, that is traveled by car, aeroplane, train, etc. And also it can be expressed in meter per second. Okay. So two case you can do. When it is kilometer, distance is kilometer, you can either convert this 20 minute into hour, or you can convert this 15 kilometer into meter. Then 15 kilometer meter and this minute into second. Then you will be going to have the unit of speed as meter per second. Okay, is it clear? Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So, please be very specific when I am giving you the problem sums, problems, that the unit. So 1 unit is, tell me what are the 2 units of speed?
Kilometer per hour.
And meter per
Meter
second.
per second.
Okay, so it is clear. Is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
So next we are going to read about types of speed. What are the different types of speed? One is called uniform speed, other one is non-uniform speed, and the last one is average speed. From the very terms, from the names, just stop talking, let me finish. From the very terms we can know that uniform speed, uniform means equal. When the object travels a fixed distance, same time gaps, that is they are having same time gap. I have given you that you are covering 5 kilometers in 5 hours. Every time you are covering the same distance within the same time, then your speed is called uniform speed. But if you are in the first 5 minutes you are going 5 kilometer, in the second 5 hours you are going 50 kilometers, and again this distance covered in each and every gap, time gap is different, then it is known as non-uniform motion. And the third one is average speed. What is average speed? Suppose that Deepa is running with a speed of 15 meters per second. No, not ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Aman is running with a speed of 20 meter per second, and Yash Pandey is running with a speed of 25 meter per second. Average क्या है? आप लोग मैथ्स में किए हैं ना? All of you have done average. So average will be 25 plus 15 plus 20 divided by 3. So what is the answer? What is the average speed? Tell me. Yes. Tell me what is the average speed?
Ma'am,
20.
How?
ma'am,
How?
12.
15 plus 25, what is it? 40. 40 plus 20, 60. 60 by 3, it is 20. So your
Yes, ma'am, 20.
three of yours average speed will be, yes, you have done right. So three of your average speed will be 20 meter per second. Okay, am I clear?